So I forgot, I have a stock rim on the spare tire, so let's check that out and see what it was, okay? We know the spare is there. Let's stretch this baby off here. Let's see if the spare has a regular rim on it. Come on, sweetie. Ugh, let it go. So we all know that mine are painted beige. What were they originally? Well, there we go. Black metal, black steel, painted silver. Didn't know what they were on this vehicle before it was painted, but now we know it had the kind of maybe an anodized aluminum look paint over a black steel rim. Nice and heavy was what it was originally. I never had one of these back in the day, so I can't remember what people drove them around with, but that's what this is. Just regular old steel wheel, painted silver. These aren't going to be silver ever, but now you know, you know. If you know, you know. Now you know what these things look like originally. All right, let's put this back on. Come back out this weekend and go driving and have some fun. Because that's what it's all about.